With AI making its wave in almost every industry, can AI really make a difference in the classroom? Well, to figure it out, I took a closer look at Magic School AI to see if it's a top AI tool for teachers and if it's worth the pricing. Hi everyone, I'm Anmol Maiman, an AI product analyst at allaboutai.com, and you know I'm not a teacher myself. But of course, out of curiosity to see how AI works in education sector, I explored Magic School AI from a teacher's perspective. From the looks of it, it sounds like a teacher's dream come true. But does it really deliver what it promises? Let's find out. All right, so we are at the tool actually. To be very honest, looking at the interface, I just love how creative and unique this is. Although it's an AI tool, but it feels so comforting to your eyes. And for students, especially, or for teachers, I feel like there's a lot more room for creativity, and this tool is actually fulfilling that room for them. Starting up with the Raina, their chatbot, as a teacher, or I think as a student as well, what you can do is you can ask Raina multiple questions and it's going to answer you like all other chatbots do. Right? You can either just export some documents or read aloud, or there are multiple other options. So I come up here, I'm just going to just take one of the prompts available here. So just a craft activity for teaching geometry. Let's go ahead with that. Okay, that's great. So if you're a teacher, you're going to get all the unique ideas in just one place. Amazing. Okay, there's multiple other options, share the magic, and there's a magic studio intro. If you want to learn how the tool works, you can just go ahead and watch the video. I'll come up here and come to the most interesting part that I was very excited to explore, and that's magic tools. Just come up here and click on all. As you can see, there's image generator, there's presentation generator, prompt assist, text rewriter, lesson plan, multiple choice questions, worksheet generator, report card, text leveler, academic content, informational tags, professional emails. Oh my god, just look at the options that you have right here. YouTube video summarization. So if you want your students to watch a video, you can just go ahead and paste the link in here and you'd be able to get the answers. So I'll just go ahead and give you guys a live demo here. I'm going to write I need 500 words. Let's say I want a 500 words. I'll come up here and I'll just paste a video review of my own to see how well does it answer. There you go, it has all the answers. It's exactly, I think it's almost 500 words worth the answer. Let me see. Let's see how much word it is. It's 470 words. Perfect. So yeah, this was one feature. I'll come back to the magic tools. And there is report card comments. I love this one personally because let's say it's a 12th grade. It's a he. Areas to trip is amazing writing skills. Focus is needed on listening part. Okay, I'll go ahead and generate the comment and see what it gives us. There you go, we have the answers. You can just put a key up there and it's going to give you a detailed comment on what to put on the report card. Amazing. Again, I'll come back. So all in all, there is multiple other options. You can just generate your worksheets over here. You can make it relevant and clear directions, tongue twisters. As a teacher, honestly, this is dream come true because you're going to get so many of multiple tools aligned at one place. I mean, there are different tools which are performing different tasks, but nobody is actually giving you all of this at one place. We'll see how much does this tool cost exactly to give so many of options at one place? Right now I'm using the free version, of course. Let's go ahead and explore the prices here. Okay. For a free version, it gives a lot more than I was expecting it to be. You can get AI image generation for educators and students powered by Adobe, all slide generation with presentations, all 40 plus education monitor tools. I mean, all of the tools are available even in the free version. That is amazing. You have Raina, you have 70 plus standard based time saving AI tools for education and growth. Great. Now, if I come up to the monthly plan, okay, for just 12.99 a month, I think this would be a great choice for teachers to pick. Although I think the free version is doing the job just right, but if you want to have more work done, then you can just get ahead and go with the paid one. And there's also a custom price plan, which you can get all of these features for: custom data privacy, single sign-in, platform customization for school or district. This is more like on enterprise level, where schools can actually go ahead and choose these plans. But for individual level, I think the free version is amazing. If not, if you want to explore more, then you can go ahead with the plus plan. So after testing it, I'd say Magic School AI is ideal for routine tasks and provides structure. Compared to traditional lesson planning, Magic School AI does make routine tasks faster and more centralized. You can get jumpstart onto the lesson plans and even manage classroom behavior all in one platform. However, for more in-depth needs, I still think it'll work best alongside traditional methods and, of course, teacher expertise. If you are a teacher who doesn't know how to teach, then this tool might not work for you at all. For you to utilize this tool to the fullest, you have to be a great teacher. So now, if you ask, is Magic School AI is worth it for the teachers? I'd say it is. It definitely is. Overall, I'd give a 4 out of 5 to this tool. It's innovative and it's easy to use, and it can actually really help educators. As you can see, I've generated a lot of stuff here. If you're interested, I'd recommend starting the free version to see how well it fits your needs. And if you're an educator who had already used the tool, let me know your thoughts and we can take it from there. Till then, do visit my YouTube page for more AI product reviews, use cases that can help you understand and know more about them. I'm attaching the playlist in the bubble above. Till then, feel free to reach out to me through comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.